Did you know that the 6 muscles in each of your eyes move faster than any other muscles in your body? Or that your eyes can actually get sunburned, a condition known as photokeratitis? Welcome to our eye-opening journey into the world of eye health, where we'll uncover the power of nutrition in protecting our most precious sense. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 8 foods that can shield your eyes from harm and keep your vision crystal clear. Number 1. Carrots. Let's delve into the wondrous world of carrots, those humble root vegetables that pack a powerful punch when it comes to eye health. Beyond their vibrant orange hue lies a treasure trove of nutrients, with beta-carotene taking center stage. Beta-carotene, a type of carotenoid, serves as a precursor to vitamin A, a vital nutrient for maintaining optimal vision. When consumed, the body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which plays multifaceted roles in eye health. Notably, vitamin A supports the proper functioning of the retina, the light-sensitive tissue lining the back of the eye. Within the retina, specialized cells called rods and cones are responsible for converting light into electrical signals that the brain interprets as vision. Vitamin A is essential for the synthesis of visual pigments in these cells, particularly rhodopsin, which is crucial for low light and night vision. Furthermore, vitamin A contributes to the integrity of the cornea, the transparent outer covering of the eye. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to a condition known as xerophthalmia, characterized by dryness, ulceration, and even blindness due to corneal damage. By including carrots in your diet, you ensure an ample supply of beta-carotene, thus supporting the production of vitamin A and maintaining the health of both the retina and cornea. But carrots don't stop there. They're also rich in other essential nutrients and antioxidants that benefit eye health. These include lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, which collectively help protect against oxidative stress, reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, and promote overall eye wellness. Incorporating carrots into your daily meals isn't just a culinary choice, it's a proactive step towards preserving your precious eyesight. So whether raw, steamed, or juiced, let these vibrant veggies be your allies in the quest for healthy vision. Number 2. Fish. At the heart of fish's eye-boosting prowess lies its rich concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These essential fats are not only integral to overall health, but also play pivotal roles in preserving the well-being of our eyes. EPA and DHA are key components of cell membranes throughout the body, including those in the retina. By incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into our diet, we support the structural integrity of retinal cells, thereby promoting optimal visual function. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids exert anti-inflammatory effects, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from chronic eye conditions characterized by inflammation, such as dry eye syndrome. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s help alleviate discomfort and promote tear production, leading to improved ocular comfort and clarity of vision. Beyond their omega-3 content, fish offer a plethora of other nutrients that contribute to eye health. Selenium, a trace mineral abundant in certain fish varieties, acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting the eyes from oxidative damage induced by free radicals. Additionally, fish are a reliable source of vitamin D, which has been associated with a decreased risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Furthermore, the protein-rich nature of fish makes them a valuable component of a balanced diet for maintaining overall ocular health. Protein is essential for the synthesis of various ocular structures, including the lens and cornea, and plays a crucial role in repairing and maintaining the health of ocular tissues. Incorporating fish into our regular meals isn't just a delicious indulgence, it's a proactive step towards safeguarding our precious eyesight. Whether grilled, baked, or poached, let the bounty of the sea grace your plate and nourish your eyes for a lifetime of clear, vibrant vision. Number 3. Eggs. Let's unravel the intriguing tale of eggs, those versatile culinary delights that serve as more than just a breakfast staple. Nestled within their delicate shells lie potent antioxidants known as lutein and zeaxanthin, both members of the carotenoid family. These compounds, found in high concentrations in the retina, act as natural defenders, shielding delicate eye tissues from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. But the story of eggs doesn't end there, it's only just begun. Regular consumption of eggs, particularly the golden yolks, provides a steady supply of lutein and zeaxanthin, offering a myriad of benefits for vision health. These antioxidants have been linked to a decreased risk of developing age-related eye conditions, including macular degeneration and cataracts. The macula, a tiny but crucial region of the retina responsible for central vision, reaps substantial rewards from the presence of lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds function as internal sunglasses, absorbing harmful high-energy light waves and reducing the risk of macular damage. By fortifying the macula, lutein and zeaxanthin contribute to preserving sharp, detailed vision well into the golden years. Furthermore, these antioxidants play a vital role in supporting visual acuity and contrast sensitivity, enhancing the clarity and sharpness of our sight. Their presence in the retina helps maintain optimal function, ensuring that we can perceive the world around us with precision and clarity. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of eggs' role in eye health lies in their potential to slow the progression of age-related eye conditions. By mitigating oxidative stress and protecting against cellular damage, lutein and zeaxanthin offer a natural defense mechanism against the ravages of time. So whether scrambled, poached, or sunny side up, let the humble egg be your ally in the quest for lifelong visual wellness. Number 4. Bell peppers. Let's embark on a journey through the colorful world of bell peppers, those vibrant gems of the vegetable kingdom that offer a plethora of eye-nourishing benefits. With their striking hues of red, yellow, and orange, bell peppers not only add a burst of flavor to our meals but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to vision health. At the heart of bell peppers' eye-boosting prowess lies their impressive content of vitamin C, a water-soluble antioxidant essential for maintaining the health of the eyes. Vitamin C plays a pivotal role in supporting the immune system of the eyes, helping to ward off infections and protect against environmental threats. Furthermore, its antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of age-related eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. These colorful vegetables also contain a variety of other nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, all of which contribute to maintaining optimal vision. Vitamin A, in particular, is crucial for the health of the cornea, the transparent outer covering of the eye, while beta-carotene serves as a precursor to vitamin A, supporting overall eye function. Additionally, bell peppers are rich in flavonoids, another group of antioxidants that help protect the eyes from oxidative damage and inflammation. Flavonoids such as quercetin and lutein have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-angiogenic properties, which may help prevent or slow the progression of certain eye conditions. Whether enjoyed raw in salads, roasted in dishes, or sautéed as a colorful side, let these vibrant vegetables be your allies in the quest for lifelong eye health and wellness. Number 5. Berries. Let's embark on an exploration of the delightful world of berries, those vibrant jewels of nature that offer a bounty of eye-nourishing benefits. From the deep hues of blueberries to the rich tones of blackberries and raspberries, these delicious fruits not only tantalize the taste buds but also provide a myriad of nutrients essential for maintaining optimal vision health. At the heart of berries' eye-boosting prowess lies their rich content of anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants responsible for their vivid colors. Anthocyanins have been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help protect the eyes from oxidative damage and inflammation. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, these compounds play a crucial role in preventing age.